All right, welcome back. So this is going to be our next video, which is how to edit the tabs. So on my page, I've got a couple of things here, and I'm going to go ahead and switch into edit mode here. And I'm going to make it full screen. So up here at the top, I've got the header. We've got this text area here. You can change and edit this if you need to. Right here where it says tab modules, everything below this is optional. There are actually two different tab modules. This first area right here, this is the links that will change the tabs. And then down here underneath, you see I've got this Monday area. Everything between this top line right here and this bottom line right here belongs to that first tab. Everything here above Tuesday down to the bottom of that. You see there's doubles there. There's a top and a bottom for each area that you can edit. So you can change these areas. You can put whatever text you want on these. These are images. You can take that out. You can put in other text. Use your tools to make it an H2. All right, and then you've got a nice heading for that. Now, I'm going to show you how to edit these, and then we're going to pop back into the view mode to see how it works. So on the edit links up here, so if I click on this and click link options, it'll come up with the edit, and then I can change what the text says to there. So I'm going to just call that one tab 1. Oops, it went away. I got to hit it again. I'm going to undo link options, tab 1. Now down here on the link, you have to be careful with this. It just needs to have this end part that's got the hashtag fragment1 at the end of it. If it has all that other stuff, when you try and view your page, it's going to crash, and you don't want that. So now I've changed that one to tab 1. So when I exit and save this, I have to exit full screen mode to save. And when I save that, now my tabs down here, you'll notice my title says tab 1, and then it just has that text there. You can put images in here, you can put a table in here and put an image with text on one side or something like that. You can put embedded content in here, you could embed a Google Calendar, you can embed pretty much any website that you have an embed code from. So lots of different things you can embed in here. One other thing that I do want to point out is that there are two of these areas down here at the bottom. You really don't need both of these. So I'll show you where to delete that second one. If I go back into edit here, so you can pick the one that's closest to what you want. You'll notice these guys do have colors on the pages, on the backgrounds of the words there. To edit those, you do have to go into the HTML code. But you'll notice when we do this that there's the, if you scroll down here, find where the text that says tab modules, everything below is optional. So this spot here that says div class equals enhanceable content tabs, on line 73, that's the beginning of the area where the tabs are and all the code for the tab. This UL area right here from line 74 to line 80, these are the actual tabs. All of the links should say href equals and then hashtag fragment1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever the numbers are there on that. This background color here, that's where you can change the color of the tab. So if you don't want any color on a tab, you can just take that off and just leave that as a blank. And you can change the color of the links right there. So the second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take out this other one. So I'm going to scroll down, and each page, each tab area here is in its own area. So like this Monday tab is from line 81 down to line 91. So that's all the text that's displayed for tab 1. So everything that's in this fragment 2 area is from 92 to 102. That's all the text that's in tab 2. So I'm going to keep scrolling down here. There are 5 tabs. You can add more tabs if you want. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to delete all of this second section down here. all the way to this close div right here on line 197. So I'll delete that. And now when I put this in preview mode, so there's my preview, and then when I exit and save it, you'll see what that looks like.